Imagine not doing payroll by hand. That's a nice thought, right? There are many cloud-based payroll software solutions designed to make running your payroll and HR processes more user-friendly. Two of the most popular payroll software options available today are Gusto and Paychex. So in this video, we'll be comparing both software. I'd recommend to watch till the very end. And let's begin with the video. Gusto is a full-service payroll, benefits, and HR software designed for startups and small businesses in the United States. Gusto offers automated or manual payroll for employees in all 50 states, self-service profiles for employees and contractors, the ability to set up 2- and 4-day direct deposits, employee onboarding, and benefits administration. With its combination of key features and affordable prices, Gusto is clearly the winner for small businesses. With Paychex, employee benefits are taken to the level of a professional employer organization or PO, which offers a more comprehensive range of HR and payroll services. Note that Gusto partners with brokers to offer employee benefits. The amount of HR expertise that Paychex PO provides may not be necessary for small businesses with fewer than 10 employees. Selecting the best payroll service will likely come down to determining which features of a payroll service are most important for you and your business. Gusto and Paychex Flex both offer the standard payroll service features such as direct deposit payroll, tax calculation and filing, and an employee portal for your team to track their pay stubs, hours worked, and view tax documents. Both payroll services also integrate well with third-party software and have good live support services. The biggest difference when comparing these two software is that even though Paychex Flex's most affordable plan is less costly per employee, Gusto's similarly priced plan includes significantly more features for nearly the same price. For example, Gusto's core plan offers benefits administration, including medical, dental, and vision, while Paychex Flex does not offer those benefits without a significant add-on cost. In fact, Paychex Flex's similarly priced Essentials plan does not even have W-2 and 1099 forms, payroll tax administration, or workers' compensation insurance. One big feature difference between Gusto and Paychex Flex is the benefits administration. Gusto offers health benefits administration, including medical, dental, and vision, even on its most affordable plan, while Paychex Flex requires an additional add-on price for benefits. However, with that additional cost, Paychex is able to offer PO-level benefits, so you have access to a better retirement plan, health insurance, and dental and vision coverage for your employees. Note: Gusto does not offer health benefits in every state, and 401k plans, 529 college savings accounts, and pre-tax accounts all require add-on coverage. Another key feature difference between Gusto and Paychex Flex is the employee portal. Gusto's employee portal is well designed and easy to use with a user-friendly interface. It also allows your employees lifetime access to pay stubs, hours worked, and W-2s, and allows them to update their own personal information and direct deposit details. Paychex Flex's employee portal is functional, but is nothing to write home about, and it does not give your employees lifetime access. Overall, we feel Gusto is a better choice for most small businesses. Even its most affordable plan includes a longer list of useful payroll and HR features. These key features and a solid benefits administration make Gusto an excellent choice for small business owners looking for an easy-to-use, affordable payroll service software. If you want to seriously improve your health insurance options or fully outsource your entire HR system, Paychex may be the better choice. With Paychex's higher cost plans, HR professionals are assigned to your business to help manage payroll processing, employee benefits, workers' compensation, employee relations issues, and more. The Paychex PO means your business can improve its buying power when it comes to getting the best retirement plans, health insurance, and dental and vision coverage. Alright, so I believe that's enough for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.